It is the legend of the Golden Cola. Or maybe it was something else.
Hi everyone.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another taste test. For this episode, by Meiji, I'm going to try out this package of Vending Machine Cola Gummies. And it just so happens that there are 2 cola flavors. So the myth is actually true. It is the legend of the Golden Cola. Or maybe it was something else. Actually, I think it was apple juice. Because Japan sells regular apple juice. They have Macintosh apples, and then you have the golden apple for all the different apple juices. I mean, there could be a golden cola, but I don't think it would be any more beneficial or healthy compared to a regular cola, as it would still be just nothing but a bottle full of sugar. Well, anyways, let's just see what the package looks like, because it says it's described as vending machine. So maybe you have to like peel them out. Oh, there you go. Oh my god! Cola scent just went poof, like a big cloud of it right to my face. I wonder if the package smells like anything. Yep, a lot of big, huge cola scent from that. You could use it like a scratch and sniff or whatever. So, I'm gonna do it just like they do in the vending machine. So here we go. I'm gonna get a little bit close. Beep. I'm gonna choose the one down there on the bottom, the regular cola first. I also like the designs of them too. You have your cola bottles on top, you got your cans, and you have your 2 liters. So let's see. Yeah, I see. I gotta open it from the back. I think I chose that one first. A little bit hard to get out. I just hope they have a really, really good texture. Come on, baby. Jeez. Cola bottles are not supposed to do that in real life. So here we go. The Vending Machine Cola Gummies. This is going to be a 2 test thingamajig, for lack of better words. And here's the first of the 2. It'll be regular cola first. Very good cola. It tastes very refreshing too. Texture's okay. It takes a bit, but it does bite right through eventually. It's not really, really hard like the Haribo gummies I tried at the Dollar Tree. So that's just regular cola. What about the myth? The legend? It's gonna take a little bit more longer because it's stuck in the plastic. It's a small little thing too. There we go. Once again, the myth, the legend, the golden cola. Watch it taste like pineapple. So here's number 2, the golden cola as it's stuck to my finger. Here we go. Oh, it is a little different. I think it's just a tad little sweeter. Maybe they're trying to make it look like a diet cola or something like that? I'm guessing that. Maybe it's lighter because there's not much to it. It's just a little piece compared to the bigger bottles. So, now I don't even know how much these go for. So in other words, I don't know the price. But I'm going to give this thing the benefit of the doubt. I think that's how it goes. Benefit of the doubt. I think so. When it comes to its price point, and let that pass. It has really, really good flavor. Texture is actually a little bit above average as well. So for my review, it is 1 thumbs up. So, if you're in the Japan area, or if you're looking online for some Japanese snacks and you come across this, you should definitely pick these up. So, like I said, I'm very surprised with the texture that it's not as hard as I thought it was going to be. And it tastes just almost similar to a bottle of Coca-Cola. I'm going to finish this off by getting one more piece. This time I'm going to go for the small cola gummy right here. Well, there is one little negative thing about that. The reason why it's not a perfect score for my review. And that is, it is a little sticky on your fingers. So, And also, it's very hard to get out of the package, hence the reason for its stickiness. Otherwise, I like it. Good stuff. Maybe they could make a cherry cola one, or a vanilla cola flavor. Just wishful thinking. There you go. That is going to do it. That is the Meiji Vending Machine Cola Gummies. So if you want to see what the package looks like, there you go right there. So with that, that's going to do it for this episode of my taste testing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and don't forget to check out my gaming channel, Markis P Gaming, for video game Let's Play content. I will see you later, but until then, like always, take care.